What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and yes, we are doing our third unboxing for our cryptocurrency mining build. And today is all about the power supply. On the first video, we did the graphics card, and on the second video, we did the motherboard. And yes, so the third one is this guy. So I picked up the EVGA Supernova 650 G5 power supply. One of my favorite type of power supplies, and the reason is because you are able to manage the cabling. It's one of those things that you plug in what cable you want, and you don't have extra cables, hanging around inside your computer case. So let's get right into unboxing it and seeing what's inside this big box. All right, so what comes inside the box? We have our EVGA 650 G5 power supply manual. Cool. We have a power supply for the unit. We have a EVGA power supply unit tester, 24 pin. We have our power supply connectors, as well as our VGA connector cables, right? We have our eSATA and also our power for our hard drives. We have a couple of Molex connectors, and we also have our CPU and additional VGA connectors to power our motherboard as well as our graphics card. And then last but not least, we have the EVGA 650 Supernova G5 power supply unit. Awesome. It's green. On this side right here, we have our power port. This is where we are going to insert our power cable. We have our power switch to turn it off and on. And we also are able to switch this power supply into eco mode. On the other side, we have our connectors. It's actually the wrong side. Our connectors right here. This is our motherboard, 24 pin, SATA 1, SATA 2. CPU, VGA, and we are going to insert this power supply into our mining rig. All right, so I got my computer case, got the power supply. I forgot to tell you guys that inside the box, it does come with 4 screws, so you can lock it down. Super simple for me to insert this power supply with the computer case that I'm using to build this cryptocurrency mining build with you guys. So I'm actually gonna put the fan down, make sure the ports are inside. Make sure this goes outside. For me, it's really simple. And I think the only problem that I'm going to have right now is because this particular computer case, I kind of stripped it down with all the parts. Like I threw away the panels, I threw away the back panel and the front panel. So right now I have to like 3D print something to lock it down because it's pretty loose. And the screws to lock it down is on the side. So I got to go into the lab, build something, and 3D print it so I can lock it down so it won't, move like this. Other than that, that's about it on this video, the unboxing of the EVGA 650 G5 power supply. How simple was that? And I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.